Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your personal training business. Now if you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card required. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market, personal trainer, and there it is over there. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our personal training business so I can generate a one-page website for us. I'm now going to put in my company name. Okay, let's go ahead and put in our city and our region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. And there you have it. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. They're all high quality and they're free to use. We wanted to make it as easy as possible for you when it comes to launching a one-page website for your personal training business. However, if the content that's pre-written just doesn't work for you in your business, you want to make a few amendments and the images, perhaps you have some of your own. I'm going to walk you through the process and just show you how simple it is to make the amendments, how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer with a huge budget. You don't need to be super tech savvy as well. It's super easy. I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom through each section and just show you how simple it is. There's no coding needed whatsoever. So let's head to the top here. I'm going to click on update section at the top. There we go. I'm now going to put my email address in. I'm now going to click on show email and site. So it's displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites page. Phone number, let's pop that in. That is click to call. And let's put our address in. Now the address is clickable. So when our customers click on the address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. That is if you have one. Let's click save location and head to update social links. I'm now going to pop in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the Marty Site service. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well, and the icons will be displayed here. Let's click on save, close, and move along. I'm now going to head to update section over here and update logo. Now, if you're still in the startup process of your personal training business, you don't even have a logo, that's completely okay. It will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, head to browse and upload one from your device. If you don't have a logo and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com service. There are a few free great options on their website. Check it out. Awesome. We can make the logo bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to make it slightly bigger and click on save logo and click close. Now, perhaps the colors that have been pre-selected for you used throughout your Marty Sites page, this royal blue, I guess you can call it, doesn't work with your branding. Perhaps on your business cards and your logo, there's a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different options available. So I'm just going to see which one works for me and my branding. I think I like this one over here. Love it. I'm going to select that one and click save. Now, again, as I mentioned, all the content's pre-written for you, images pre-selected, and the button can link to various other places if you need to, and you can change the wording on it. All you need to do is click on update section. Whoops, there we go, and head to update image. Now, if you have your own personal training images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. It will automatically search for personal training images. However, you can play around with the terms a little bit. So I'm going to select this one. Let's check it out and see if it works well. Select photo. I really like that one, so I'm going to save it and move on to update content. Over here, feel free to change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. And the button, perhaps you don't offer a free session, perhaps you want to say get in touch. So let's change it and choose our link. We can lead a link to another part of our Marty Sites page. Perhaps you want to link to the contact form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, another website, perhaps you have like a calendar booking app like Calendly or something like that that you want to pop in over here. Otherwise, action, click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to put a click to call for this one. And otherwise, another great option is to upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorites. So you could put all your rates for your personal training sessions, all the packages you offer in a PDF file with a great design, upload it as a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to that PDF file. But for now, I want customers to get in touch, so I'm going to leave it like that. Over here, again, pre-written content for you. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and update section to suit your needs. Onto the next section. We've now made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got started in the personal training industry, your background, what exercises and training you specialize in, what are the techniques and goals that you offer your customers and your clientele, weight loss, strength, and muscle gain. Put all the details here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for an image, high quality, choose one from the photo library or upload one of your own. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and update that section if you need to. We've now made our way onto the services section. Over here, we can put a little bit more detail of the services you offer. So perhaps you offer one-on-one personal training, small group or semi-private training. Maybe you come to a customer's home and do in-home personal training, group classes. Put all the details here so your customers know which services you offer. On to the next section, the last section, that form I just mentioned previously. Over here, your customers can fill in their details, message, click on send, and submit a message to you or query on your services. Once they've filled in this form, you will get notified via email about a lead coming in through this form. You can also find the leads via the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look of this awesome website we've created for our personal training business. Very professional, very easy to amend, no coding necessary. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works. So I'm going to head to the top here and click on Stop Editing. Head over to Site Dashboard. Now over here is where we can find the leads submitted via that form that I've just shown you. And as well, you can connect your custom domain over here. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available as well as a blog post over at www.mindsetsites.com. Also, some great marketing tips for your small business. Awesome. So I hope that tutorial was helpful in building a website for your personal training business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any tips, suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget the thumbs up either.